All right, bitches, we did it! My trifecta birding today. Blue grosbeak, indigo bunting, painted bunting. Yeah! Here's how it went down. I've already got the indigo, I've already got the blue grosbeak. Now we need... Do you hear all these fucking birds? I want to be like... I was going hard, balls deep, looking for the painted bunting. I'll be back out there in a sec. This keeps the gnats out of my ears. Scanning, I'm scanning. I'm down by the river. Got my strap on now. Shit is serious. We're gonna find it! Right back. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi.